So, what are we going to do in the next module of English 100? Well, in Module 2, our goal is to use field research as a source to create statistics that we will use as the second of 4 forms of evidence to support the arguments we will make in our research papers. To prepare for that, we will first work to develop a theoretical understanding of the type of reasoned arguments appropriate for an academic context, as well as the forms of evidence we can use to create persuasive appeals to our readers in those arguments. After that, we will start our practical preparations for writing Essay 2 by talking about conducting field research in general and constructing a questionnaire in specific. Then, so we can clearly and correctly report the results of our surveys to our readers, we will finish this module by discussing how to calculate percentages and how to format numbers. To accomplish all this, for Sunday, July 1st, you need to accomplish 5 academic tasks. First, learn the lessons from Module 2. Second, read Finding Sources in the Field by Marcia Muth. Third, read the example essays Serve or Fail by Dave Eggers and Chipping Away at Community Colleges by George Skelton. Fourth, take Quiz 4, which will be based on the concepts covered in the lessons, the chapter, and the example essays. Fifth, post your first draft of Essay 2 for peer review. By 11:55 p.m. on Tuesday, July 3rd, you need to accomplish a 6th academic task. Peer review 2 of your classmates' first drafts of their respective essays. Finally, by 11:55 p.m. on Thursday, July 5th, you need to accomplish a 7th academic task. Publish Essay 2 by submitting it to me. As stated in your syllabus, you are allowed to turn in Essay 2 up to 12 hours late. That is up until 11:55 a.m. on Friday, July 6th, for partial credit. Remember, however, that there is a late penalty, an automatic deduction of 1 full letter grade for any essays turned in after 11:55 p.m. on Tuesday. As always, feel free to email me if you have questions related to the contents or the activities for this module. Other than that, have a wonderful week and enjoy your 4th of July holiday on Wednesday.